The taking cuttings. In late winter or early spring, cut a healthy green stem free from any disease from a black pepper vine. Cut small cuttings 2 to 4 inch long, having at least two nodes, one at lower end. Remove the bottom leaf and cut the top leaves into half. Leave the cuttings in shade for about an hour to let the cut end slightly dry to prevent rot in soil. Rooting soil. Mix some sand in soil to make it free draining. Otherwise, the standing water in soil will rot the cuttings. Take a small pot having drainage holes and fill it with the soil mix. Water the soil lightly. Rooting hormone. Applying rooting hormone at the cut end will speed up roots growth. However, the cuttings may root even without rooting hormone but will take longer and the cuttings may rot during the process. You can apply a chemical rooting hormone, but I use aloe vera gel, which is a natural rooting hormone. Make a hole and insert the cutting in soil. Do not push. Do not water again as soil is already wet and there are no roots yet. Enclose the pot in a clear plastic bag to make a mini greenhouse that will retain moisture. Place the bag at a bright and warm place, away from direct sunlight. Open the bag every 10 days and spray some water if the soil is dry. Overwatering can rot the cuttings. The cuttings will root in 4 to 15 weeks depending on the temperature and humidity. Once roots have formed, you can remove the plastic bag but continue the pot in shade for another 2-3 weeks. You can transplant the rooted cuttings in a large pot containing free draining, nutrition rich soil. This is a black pepper plant grown from a cutting. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching.